Hey everyone, welcome back to Untold Realities. Now, I'm always saying how important education is, how it's the key to unlocking the universe's secrets, but let's face it, sometimes studying can feel like staring into a black hole of information. It's dense, it's overwhelming, and frankly, it can suck you in. But fear not, fellow knowledge seekers, because today we're diving into 20 mind-blowing study hacks backed by science that will supercharge your learning and help you conquer even the toughest academic challenges. We're talking about techniques that will make your brain go supernova, boosting your focus, memory, and understanding to new cosmic levels. So, if you're ready to unlock your full learning potential and make studying a more efficient and enjoyable experience, buckle up, because we're about to embark on an epic journey through the cosmos of study hacks. Now, our brains aren't wired for marathon study sessions. Think about it. When's the last time you saw a documentary about a black hole that was 3 hours long, uninterrupted? Never, right? We need breaks, just like the universe needs pauses between cosmic events. That's where the Pomodoro technique comes in. This method breaks your study time into intervals, traditionally 25 minutes long, separated by short breaks. It's like a cosmic dance of focus and rest. And the science backs it up. A study from the University of Illinois found that brief diversions from a task can dramatically improve your ability to focus on that task for longer periods. So instead of trying to cram everything in one go, think like a galaxy, vast and ever-expanding, but with periods of quiet between the bursts of star formation. All right, let's talk distractions. You know that feeling when you're trying to focus on a complex concept, like, say, the formation of a quasar, and suddenly your phone buzzes with a notification about some cat video? That, my friends, is cognitive load in action. It's like trying to observe a distant galaxy while a supernova is going off right next to your telescope. The University of Texas conducted a study where they found that even having your phone face down on your desk during a test can significantly reduce your performance. So do yourself a favor, banish your phone to another dimension, at least while you're studying. Your brain will thank you. Now, this might sound strange, but trust me on this one. Chewing sugar-free gum while you study can actually boost your memory and cognitive function. It's like giving your brain a little cosmic boost. The act of chewing increases blood flow to the brain, and some studies suggest that it can improve memory and alertness. One study published in the journal Appetite found that chewing gum was associated with improved performance on memory tasks. So, next time you hit the books, grab a pack of sugar-free gum and give your brain a little something to chew on. Chapter 4, read aloud, even if quietly. We often think of reading as a silent activity, but engaging your voice, even in a whisper, can significantly enhance your comprehension and retention. It's like narrating your own cosmic documentary. Canadian researchers found that speaking text aloud, even if you're the only one listening, helps to encode the information more deeply in your memory. It's like those moments in a planetarium show when the narrator's voice guides you through the wonders of the universe, making the experience more immersive and memorable. So, don't be afraid to use your vocal cords. Your brain will thank you for it. Chapter 5. Teach what you learn to someone, even an imaginary audience. Ever noticed how explaining a complex concept to someone else helps you understand it better? That's the protégé effect in action. When you teach something, your brain is forced to organize and retrieve information in a way that makes it clearer, even if your student is just your pet rock. It's like giving a presentation on the life cycle of stars. You become the expert, guiding others through the intricacies of stellar evolution. So find a willing or unwilling audience and share your newfound knowledge. Your brain and maybe your audience will be grateful for the experience. Chapter 6. Use the 10-24/7 review rule to fight forgetting. Ever feel like you're pouring knowledge into a black hole of forgetfulness? We've all been there. But there's a way to combat this cosmic conundrum-spaced repetition. This technique involves reviewing material at increasingly spaced intervals, 10 minutes after learning, 24 hours later, and then again 7 days later. This spaced-out approach forces your brain to work harder to recall the information, which in turn strengthens the neural pathways associated with those memories. It's like sending a probe to explore a distant planet. Repeated flybys provide more data and a deeper understanding than a single fleeting glance. Our sense of smell is incredibly powerful and directly linked to memory. Ever notice how a particular scent can transport you back to a specific time and place? That's the magic of olfactory memory at work. To harness this power for studying, try using a specific scent, like a certain essential oil or scented candle, consistently while you're learning a particular subject. Then, when it's time to recall the information, having that same scent present can act as a powerful memory cue, like a cosmic breadcrumb trail leading you back to the information you need. We all love a good cup of coffee to kickstart our brains, but before you reach for that caffeine fix, consider this. Dehydration can seriously impair cognitive function. It's like trying to power a spaceship on fumes. So before you brew that pot of coffee, make sure you're properly hydrated. Drinking water first thing in the morning helps replenish your system and prepares your brain for optimal performance. Then, when you do have that coffee, it'll be like igniting the afterburners for peak cognitive performance. Highlighting can be a study trap. It feels productive, but often leads to highlighting everything and remembering nothing. Instead, try color-coding your notes. Group related concepts together and assign each group a specific color. This visual chunking technique makes information easier to process and recall. It's like organizing the vast expanse of the cosmos into constellations, patterns, and groupings that make the information more digestible and memorable. Chapter 10. Read in natural morning light for better focus. Our brains are hardwired to respond to natural light cycles. Exposing yourself to sunlight in the morning, especially while studying, can improve your focus, alertness, and even your mood. It's like bathing your brain in the energy of 1,000 suns, invigorating and energizing. So, if possible, set up your study space near a window and let the sun shine in. Your brain will thank you for the cosmic boost. Chapter 11. Write notes by hand to improve memory. In the age of laptops and tablets, the humble pen and paper might seem archaic, but don't underestimate the power of handwriting. When you write something down by hand, you're engaging multiple areas of your brain involved in encoding and storing information. It's like sketching a map of the cosmos by hand. The act of creation deepens your understanding and makes the information more memorable. So, ditch the keyboard sometimes and reconnect with the lost art of handwriting. Your brain will thank you for the workout. Chapter 12. Use mind maps to connect ideas visually. Linear notes can sometimes feel as flat and lifeless as a two-dimensional representation of the universe. To truly grasp complex concepts, we need to see the connections, the relationships, the cosmic web that binds everything together. That's where mind maps come in. This visual note-taking technique allows you to branch out from a central idea, connecting related concepts and creating a web of knowledge. It's like mapping out a constellation. Each star represents a piece of information, and the lines connecting them reveal the patterns and relationships that make up the bigger picture. We often underestimate the importance of sleep, but it's during those precious hours of slumber that our brains work their magic, consolidating memories and strengthening neural connections. It's like the universe is constantly expanding and evolving, even when it seems quiet and still. So make sure you're getting enough sleep, especially during intense periods of study. Think of it as giving your brain time to integrate all the new information, like a telescope gathering light from distant stars, revealing the secrets of the cosmos one photon at a time. Here's a simple but powerful technique. After you read a section of text, take a moment to summarize the key points in your own words. It's like explaining a complex scientific theory to a friend. You have to break it down, simplify it, and make it your own. This process of paraphrasing forces you to actively engage with the material and helps to solidify your understanding. It's like translating the language of the cosmos into something you can comprehend and share with others. Our thoughts have a powerful impact on our performance. If you're constantly bombarded by negative self-talk, "I'm not smart enough, I'll never understand this," you're creating a self-fulfilling prophecy of failure. Instead, cultivate a positive inner dialogue. Replace those negative thoughts with affirmations of your abilities. "I can do this. I'm capable of understanding this material." It's like adjusting your mental telescope to focus on the positive aspects of the universe, blocking out the cosmic noise that can cloud your perception. Remember the protege effect we talked about earlier? Well, it's time to put it into practice again. Find a study buddy, a family member, or even a willing pet, and teach them what you've learned. Explaining concepts to someone else forces you to organize your thoughts, identify gaps in your understanding, and solidify your grasp of the material. It's like giving a tour of the cosmos. As you guide others through the wonders of the universe, you deepen your own appreciation and understanding of its complexities. Just like a telescope needs periodic recalibration to stay on target, our brains need regular breaks to maintain focus and prevent burnout. The Pomodoro technique, with its structured intervals of focused work and short breaks, is like a cosmic metronome, keeping your study sessions on track and preventing mental fatigue. So embrace the power of the Pomodoro and watch your productivity soar to new heights. Certain types of music, particularly Baroque or classical music, have been shown to enhance cognitive function and improve focus. The repetitive patterns and harmonious melodies can create a calming and stimulating environment conducive to learning. It's like listening to the music of the spheres, a cosmic symphony that harmonizes with your brainwaves, enhancing your cognitive abilities. Our brains are wired for focus, not for juggling multiple tasks simultaneously. When we try to multitask, we're essentially forcing our brains to switch rapidly between tasks, which can lead to decreased productivity, increased errors, and reduced comprehension. It's like trying to observe two different galaxies at the same time with a single telescope. You might catch glimpses of each, but you'll never get a clear view of either. Our brains are wired for stories. We remember narratives, characters, and emotions far more easily than abstract concepts or lists of facts. So when you're struggling to remember a complex idea, try relating it to something you already know, creating an analogy or weaving it into a story. It's like using familiar constellations as guideposts to navigate the vast expanse of the cosmos. Those familiar patterns help you make sense of the unfamiliar and find your way through the complexities of the universe. So there you have it, explorers of knowledge, 20 mind-blowing study hacks to supercharge your learning. Remember, studying doesn't have to be a black hole of boredom and frustration. By applying these science-backed techniques, you can unlock your brain's full potential and make studying a more engaging, efficient, and dare I say, enjoyable experience. Now go forth, armed with these powerful tools, and conquer the cosmos of knowledge. If you learned even one powerful tip from this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us keep serving us to continue generating rich educational content for better living experiences. Subscribe